Hello everyone, today we will take a look at Fujicolor Superia 100 film simulation recipe for Fujifilm cameras. If you like the classic negative film simulation, which Fuji made based on Superia films, you are going to love this recipe from Fuji X Weekly. Fujicolor Superia is a Fujifilm brand of daylight balanced consumer color negative film introduced around 1998 and replaced the Super G Plus films. Being a general-purpose film made it very popular for all types of photography. First, let me show you some photos I've taken on the streets of Valencia, Spain, then we will take a look at the recipe. All photos are straight from the camera JPEGs and were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the TT Artisan 35mm f1.4. This has become one of my favorite lenses in the past months for its size, image quality and character. If you want to see a full review of this lens, check out the link at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. If you want to support me even more, check out my presets pack, prints and links in the description. To customize your film recipe, go to Image Quality Settings, Edit Save Custom Settings, select one of the custom profiles and select Edit Custom Name to give it a name. Go to your Superia 100 custom profile and select Edit. Set Film Simulation to Classic Negative, Grain Effect to Weak Small, Color Chrome Effect to Strong, Color Chrome Effects Blue to Weak, White Balance to Daylight, White Balance Shift Red 0 and Blue -1, Dynamic Range to Auto, Dynamic Range Priority off, Tone Curve Highlights to -1, Shadows to -2, Color +1, Sharpness -2, High ISO Noise Reduction to -4, Clarity to -2. Now hit the back button and select OK to save your film recipe. When you want to select it, press the Q button, then use the back wheel to select your custom recipe.